Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter N. This is uppercase N and this is lowercase n. N is for nest. Nest means ghosla. N is for newspaper. NEWSPAPER newspaper. Newspaper means akhbar. N is for nurse. NURSE nurse. Nurse means nurse. N is for net. NET net. Net means jali. N is for nest. N is for newspaper. N is for nurse. N is for net. Let's write letter N. Okay. Go to the top and draw one standing line. Go to the again and draw one slanting line downwards. And a draw standing line. This is capital letter N. Draw one small standing line and a curved line. This is lowercase n. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.